Hello, my name is Mr. Yordanu and I'm one of the assistant head teachers here at East Barnet School. From September 2021, I'll be responsible for the PSHE curriculum and as well as our enrichment programme. PSHE stands for Personal, Social, Health and Economic Education, and these are crucial elements of the education that we deliver our youngsters. It gives our youngsters the knowledge and the skills to succeed and thrive in the world at large and as individuals both in school and outside of school. There are three areas that we cover and explore, and these are health and well-being, relationships and living in the wider world. Our students will have fortnightly PSHE lessons, and in these sessions they will cover a range of interesting, necessary and vital topics and ideas that they will need to be able to deal with the challenges that life will present as they grow older. As well as the lessons in class, our students are also lucky enough to have external visitors and speakers coming in to speak to them, and these can cover a whole range of topics from road safety to how to manage finances once they leave school and beyond. All of these elements combined will help our students deal with the challenges and growing up and preparing them for the world outside of school. In addition to PSHE, I will also have oversight for our enrichment programme. Our enrichment programme focuses on what our students do outside of lesson time. We are really pleased with the extracurricular clubs and enrichment programme that we offer. Some of our fantastic trips include visits to Spain, France or Germany from our languages faculty, through to some of the sporting and other expressive arts faculty opportunities that we offer our students both at lunchtime and after school. We're passionate about ensuring that our students have as many opportunities to become well-rounded individuals that can excel beyond the classroom as well as in the classroom.